Kublai vi barok ki paint kri kasi bat join dia. Di show bangan sedang ya kani ka video. Nong ya vi congratulation kentam ya kitu ki candidates ki pas ba ha ka written exam jo ka Meghalaya Police lengba ka Central Recruitment Board lene CRB. Di samha ya kani ka notification lene kani ka jingpan pana ha ka ba nagliang jong ka CRB lene Central Recruitment Board kalapan tip syabarok ki candidates ki pas ba Haganeka written examination. And also for those who are not in Khasi, listen up carefully. I'll read this notification in English so that you also can understand this notification. So ngan pulis wa hagaktin English nang tangan sampai pi hagaktin Khasi ngap hagi parlok baro. This is information to all the candidates who are appear in the written test for the post of number 1 unarmed branch sub-inspector. Number 2, unarmed branch constable. Number 3, fireman. Number 4, driver fireman. Number 5, fireman mechanic or mechanic. Number 6, MPRO operator. Number 7, signal or BN operator. Number 8, armed branch constable or battalion constable or MPRO GD or constable handyman. And number 9, driver constable. That the list of marks secured by the candidates in the written test as well as the list of invalid roll numbers of candidates in the respective posts have been announced and published in the official Meghalaya Police website, that is www.meghalayapolice.gov.in on the 22nd of October 2025. There are candidates whose roll number do not appear in the result as their OMR sheet could not be evaluated due to incorrect marking or entries in the OMR sheets. So candidates having any query relating to the written result may clarify at the CRB office, Shillong, or contact the helpline number 6033164273 during office hours within 7 days of publication of result. They are to bring along the original written test admit card and triplicate copy of OMR sheet to authenticate their candidature. So the candidates who qualify for the personal interview in all the posts will be shortlisted, and the dates of the personal interview will be notified shortly in the official website. Disangabana kumta jungi ki paralo kasi becentia kani kadi ka notification ni ka jingpon banalang ba ka Central Board ni Central Recruitment Board jong ka Meghalaya Police ka ba klap panlait ba ya ki kyrteng jong ki candidates ki belapas bah ha ka written examination jong ka Meghalaya Police post jong kini ki post paper dia kata jong ka post an branch sub inspector, number R an branch constable, number L fireman, number South driver fireman, number Sun fireman mechanic or mechanic, number Banriu MPRO operator, number Banyo signal BN operator, number Bapra branch constable, battalion constable, MPRO GT constable handyman, but number Bakandai driver constable. Di kinoi ki candidates ki ba nglalit ban tho na kumta ka written examination jong ka Meghalaya Police jong kini ki post ki Bangladesh ban batai chipi so ban check ya ki kateng jong pi kila don ha kani ka official website jong ka Meghalaya Police but la pelat ya kan ya gini ki kateng na du ka arpo tarik Oktober ajar arpesan. But shishuru ki don ki candidates ki ba syam la penmi yang ki kateng jong ki ha kani ka notification la ni jong kani ka official website te lada pikwa ban pentikena ya lade pins ngoba ban late ban mi ha office jong katika CRB na kabanta ban pentikena bagi kerteng jong pi lane ki max jong pi ki day ki ba bit ba biang lane pila ban pas te pila ban le ya kata da ka ba pi call han kini ki number harum driu not lai iwe driu saw ar new lai hapo new sngi pila ban kilim lani pila ban penbet ya kita ki jing duna jing bakla ti kani ke jing bomla jung ki ban penmi ya ki kateng ka de namar ba phimnang ban pandam ya ki kyrteng ya ki nomor ha ketika OMR sheet. Yala da village ban pentikna yala de sha ka office ya ban ra ru ya ka original written test admit card but kumju ru ya ketika triplicate copy jong ka OMR sheet. Di pihak ban ra ya ketika OMR sheet ngata sa late sha ka office nang ta kin sabatai pi kumno pin le mo. Te wanum du jingkermen te yo let's say pila adep check let's say pila cross ya ketika secure mark kaba labu longba kami kle police bepin pas tele sha office lane phone na kabantaban pensisha ba phimi lane pi pass ha ketika written examination publish shibon. And to all the candidates belonging to Garo, so congratulations to you, and make sure you had appear on this official website with your names and secure mark. Iswa bangan penkut saya sin ngan ong pi congratulation ya ki papas bahabat ki balami kerteng bat nang ya pen kre syuru na ka benta ka personal interview bat nak benta ka tarik jong ka personal interview nak liang jong ka office kan sapen mi ya ki tarik lane ya ki sngi ki papelong ya ketika personal interview te nang ya check nang ya don bat ka official website jong ka me klia police kenang mo bintip ya ki jingpen bana ki papen mi lengba ketika office kamtam ya pi ki candidates ki bala pass bat ki bala apply nak benta ketika meklia police post jong ki post prepare ki bangala de ban pensengau sepi bat nganget ba piru pitip ya kata bat ya ki post ba pi apply di sachusen pen krea ba nak benta ka personal interview nang ba pin yo ya ki te ki kam ki ba pila apply bat pila tresitom. Ban nagam taki gerteng jong pi lada pi kwa ban check late nong ba ka link ka bang alabu hapo ka description box. Di pinyo lut hang toi gerteng jong pi check ba iwe pa iwe kat kum ka post ka jong pi mo. Wan kerki nang ba pinlap ya gerteng ka jong pi namar kin bun ba ki candidates ki bala pas. Kitang katahi manong pi sachisin publish shibon.